Korean-style skillet chicken dinner, you start by soaking the rice 30 minutes, and you give it a good shake. You put it in boiling stock or water for 5 minutes, so kind of nested in there. After about 5 minutes, we turn the rice down to low. We simmer for 15 minutes. Then the rice is turned off. Do not remove the lid, and you let it stand an additional 10 minutes. So for the chicken, we're browning a mixture of boneless, skinless, white and dark meat in a cast iron skillet. I did this in batches because we don't want to crowd the pan. The sauce starts out with about 1/3 of a cup of that fermented chili paste. I like to use light soy, about 1/4 cup of that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 2 tablespoons each of toasted sesame oil, and rice wine vinegar for acidity, or white vinegar if you have that in your pantry. 1, 2. And then about 2 tablespoons of pourable light brown or dark brown sugar. 1, 2. And then we're going to add a really bright, lovely finish to that with the juice of 2 limes. Give this a whisk, and you can throw in anything you like here. You can add vegetables to this, like blanched broccolini or peeled and shaved curls of carrot. I keep it simple. I like a bunch of leeks, whites and light greens, and a lot of ginger root and a lot of garlic. Turn the heat back up to high and just kind of stir fry the leeks and the ginger first. Get them going. Then once they get going a bit, we'll add our garlic, which I'm going to grate, or you can thinly slice or chop, of course. Do not need to add salt to this because we have the salt that's in the chili paste, of course, and the soy sauce. Okay, now we're going to add that sauce that we made down into the game. Sesame oil, smells so good. And now we gotta get our chicken back in there to heat it through and coat it with that sauce and all of the juices that gather on the plate after you brown the chicken. It has sesame oil, so I use savory sprinkles. Toasted sesame seed all over the top. Woo-hoo-hoo! So I like to put the chicken a little off to the side and then go in, get extra sauce. I put the rice alongside, you see, so you could pull from it and it won't dry out the chicken.